So for the error code P0327 talks about the knock sensor. So let me show you where the knock sensor is located in this ZY engine, Mazda or Mazda 3 or Mazda Axela or even Mazda Verisa. So here's the thing. For you to locate the sensor, you'll have to check out the manifold. Before going to the manifold, you'll have the fuel rail system. You'll have to take it out, the sockets, the manifold, so that you might access the knock sensor. So for our case, here is the knock sensor. So I'll have to take this out, and the problem was due to, you can look at this cable. The cable is a little bit off, so there is a malfunction with transmitting the signal to the ECU or the computer. So I've managed to take out my intake manifold, taken out everything that is before. So let me get this sensor out. So for I to get this sensor out, I'll have to use a 25. Yeah, so this is what I'll do. I'll take my 25, slowly to the sensor. I'll have to rotate to anti-clockwise and have it removed. So let us continue fixing this. So here is our old knock sensor with a broken cable. I'll have to replace it with this other one. So the cable, everything is okay, the sockets intact. So let me replace this and have the car started. So you'll have to be keen on the part numbers. So basically these the sensors are made by Mitsubishi, so you'll have to be very careful when it comes to the part numbers and everything. So for my case, I'm making sure that they match letter to letter. So E1T, yeah, so everything is okay. So let me have this fixed. So making sure that the sensor is now in place. So this is our faulty sensor. Yeah. So let me put everything together. So to begin with, I'll have to make sure that the pipes are in. Yeah. So the next thing is aligning these intake manifold, yeah, to its rightful place. So there we go. So after doing that, I'll have to use so tying everything in place. This is the ratchet number 12. Perfect. It is not a hard task to do if you know how to go about it. Yeah. So making sure that all the bolts are well in. So you hand tighten first before anything else. So we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. So yeah, 7th one. So here we go. Ah, perfect. There is Zima. Now our dashboard is clean. The error is gone.